Platte County is not going to implement a tax that would help fund children's mental health initiatives in the county, at least for right now.
Voters approved the tax during last month's election, and today the three-member commission decided not to implement it. New tonight, Fox 4's Jonathan Katz joins us live from Platte City after attending that meeting. John?
Bria, dozens of people attended, as you're about to see, many who supported the tax, but others who opposed it as well. Platte County Presiding Commissioner Scott Fricker's wife, Kelly, was one of the residents who spoke in opposition to the Children's Services Fund tax.
32,000 people is less than a third of our population. I think it is arrogant. I think it's arrogant of this minority to feel that your opinion is the right one.
The debate was heated Monday as people spoke for and against the tax that Platte County residents have already decided on. 56%, or as Kelly said, nearly 32,000 registered voters said yes to this question. 44% of the voters, which adds up to nearly 25,000 people, said no to the quarter-cent tax being implemented. After Monday's public comments, Commissioners Dagmar Wood, Joe Vanover, and Scott Fricker all voted not to implement it because, based off of state statute, they believe they don't have to.
30% of Platte County population that wants to impose this tax on the 70% of the Platte County population that didn't weigh in on this in favor of it are overturning the will of future voters, because this tax will last forever.
Synergy Services is a mental health agency that may have benefited from the sales tax. Their co-executive director, Dennis Meyer, spoke both during and after Monday's meeting.
The next step will be to determine whether this, in fact, has been established, even if it may not be implemented.
So that could be a part of your lawsuit.
Correct.
So Meyer added he was not surprised by what the commission did today, but as you just heard, Kevin, this fight does not seem to be over yet.